Good afternoon, traders. It is Wednesday, September 4th, 2013, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Well, you know, if you saw my video yesterday, you know I was about ready to throw this market and my trading system into the trash can. And of course, as soon as that happens, you better believe we're going to have a good day. And that's exactly what happened today. Really had a good day. It was like the old market comes back, and I'm smiling, I'm happy. You know, we had over $13,000 in negative trades, open trade equity coming into today. And man, I have seen so many times when you come into the day negative $13,000, you get out like down $25,000 in losing trades. I've seen that happen many, many times. Bad day like yesterday, it just doesn't seem to get better. Well, today it got better. It got a lot better. We ended up closing out $7,000 in losses. And I think, what is this guy happy about with a $7,000 closed out loss? But you got to mind, first of all, that's a big improvement from negative $13,000. But what I'm really happy about, what's really got me dancing on the ceiling, is we are carrying over $15,000 positive open trade equity going into tomorrow. And we haven't seen positive $15,000 in open trade equity in quite a while. I mean, that's really like the old markets that we saw maybe 8 weeks ago or further back even. It's just very, very good. And on top of that, we got into one, what I call an outlier trade to the positive that's really good. I'll show you that on the charts. Anyway, let's take a look at those charts. Okay, we're looking at the Dow Jones Industrial Average here. And, you know, this is quite a contrast. You can see this mess we had yesterday, why I was just moaning and groaning. You know, it goes up and then it sells off and ends up closing a little bit positive. But we got really messed up on this. We were buying up here and it closed down. So that's where that $13,000 negative open trade comes in. But then you can see what happened today. This thing took off right at the beginning. And what I like, it wasn't all in the first 15 minutes. It kept getting more positive as the day went on. We did have a little pullback here, but this isn't bad. The Dow ended up closing up 96 points, very strong. And the other thing to keep in mind, we're getting very, very close to that critical 15,000 mark on the Dow. And, you know, I think if we get over that, we're only a little more than 60 points from that. We get over that, I think this market could really go again, and maybe we wipe out the memory of that horrible, horrible last couple weeks in August that's had me so pessimistic yesterday. Anyway, I'll show you a couple trades. This is the one I love. We just haven't seen any real strong trades like this. This is in Sienna, and we had bought this yesterday, and this thing really didn't do anything for us yesterday. But look at this huge gap we had this morning, and it just kept going, and we are holding over $9,000 in positive in Sienna Corporation. And then I'll show you another one. It's not as big, but it shows you what happened today in terms of erasing very bad trade situation we had yesterday. Yesterday we bought this thing about 30 minutes in a day, and then it ended up going negative, and so we were holding. By the way, if I didn't say, this is Rambus Inc., RMBS, and we were negative Rambus Inc. on the close yesterday, and then this morning the thing just took off, and really went very, very strong. We're holding over $2,000 in Rambus Inc. So over $15,000 total open trade equity. Market strong. We're poised to take out 15,000 on the Dow. It all looks good. Trader Bob's happy. This is Trader Bob signing off. I'll see you tomorrow on Thursday.